At Miles Lubricants, we know your time is valuable. That's why getting answers to your questions has never been easier. Our online chat feature connects you directly with our customer service team. Whether you're checking product specs before you buy or need a tracking number after your order, our friendly experts are here to help during normal business hours. But support is only part of what makes Miles different. For over 80 years, we've provided complete lubrication coverage, from automotive motor oils to industrial and even food-grade lubricants, all with one trusted name. Every formula is engineered for compatibility, performance, and simplicity. That means smoother engines, longer equipment life, and less downtime for you. Thousands of drivers, mechanics, and businesses across the country rely on Miles Lubricants to keep their systems running strong, mile after mile. Ready to find the right solution for your needs? Visit the Miles Lubricants website or check your local supplier to explore the full product catalog. Need help choosing? Contact our customer service team to match the right formula to your equipment. One trusted brand, total lubrication coverage. Miles Lubricants keeps your systems running smoother and longer.